This 5-minute standing ab workout is all you need to set fire to that waistline. All movements are done standing and low impact, and all you need is your amazing body. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Do make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any workouts. And if you're looking for more, all you gotta do is click that join button below, get access to over 200 additional workouts, live works, and you can help me make the workouts too. Go ahead and get ready. We got side bend for the core. Have a turnout on your feet, hands behind your head. Side bend to right, left. Now we're not gonna go to the beat of the music. I know it's hard not to, right? But I want you to get that range. Tapping elbow to thigh. Believe me, you'll get more out of it if you have that little dramatic pause. Now we're gonna take left elbow to right knee. Crunch on that side. You could have one hand or two hands. I like the one. My elbow's trying to go outside the knee. Turn your whole upper body if you can. Switch that leg. And again, really rotate in the upper body. It's like you're twisting your body out or wringing it out. We got side kicks, right, left. And your obliques should be staying turned on. Next move, we're going to be crunching down, alternating knees coming to the front of the body. Crunch it down. More knee coming up. Come on. You're gonna be lifting your right leg out to the side. Lift it up, and then you're gonna do a little elbow strike. Lift, rotate. Longer lever, right? A little bit more on that waist. Give me that left leg, lift, elbow. Make sure you're lifting up and into your body. Right knee, right front kick. So it's a knee, kick, right side. Crunch it down, kick and reach. You could twist and then kick it. I like that one. How about you? Left knee, kick. We got one last move, a little step, touch, crunch. Right, left. So we crunch over. So you're kind of tapping the foot in. So I tuck in almost to that little ball. And come on up. That's it. You are done. Nice job. Woo! Great job, team. Thank you, Cheeky. Oh my gosh, and your heart rate got up. That was it. That was 10 minutes, you guys. I know if you want more, obviously, go ahead and click up here. Lots of other short workouts that you can add on to this. But if you haven't yet, do thumb it up, comment below, and hit that subscribe button, you guys. We will see you back on the mat. Love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.